just got to say, it's Saturday morning, Jack's not at karate. Beans off, that's why. He's gone to... There's a fete going on at Arnsby at his church place. He's done the flyers for it and everything that have been sent out. He agreed to do them. And he's there this morning. There's different things going on. One of them's car washing. And that's the one that Jack's involved with now. And it's about £2 to get your car washed, or a couple of quid or whatever. And he's doing that now. So he's involved. He's taking his wellies along. I dropped him off earlier on, and they're all out there car washing, amongst other things. And I think Johnny, who's the pasture, his missus, is doing bacon butties, I think, you can buy, all for charity. So they're doing that this morning, and we're going to go along now, because we've got to pick him up in a bit, and we're going to get our car washed. That'll be funny, so we'll see him wash, how he gets on washing the car, and hopefully we'll do the turnovers afterwards. Very autumnal. Then we'll have a look and see if he's busy washing. We were when I left him, so they're all queuing up all the cars. It's so funny. Yeah, there's lots of cars there. Look at them all washing the cars.
We're still queuing up.
No way, we're going to put we're doing a roaring trade right up on the car park. Here we go. I'll pay her money, and off we go. I'll take the mickey out of him now.
Can we have Austin, sir?
I like your glove.
Well, yes, eventually.
Eventually?
You're gonna be busy.
Well, all of the ones that have their windscreen wipers up need doing.
Oh right, you better put our wipers up.
Windscreen wipers up, do we?
Not necessarily, we can do that. Or you can do it if you want.
I thought you'll know which one it is, won't you, Jack?
Let's see if I can get an action shot. I'll do an action shot.
You can wait in the cafe, you know.
No, it's more fun watching. Great technique. Meanwhile, there's other bits going off around here. Very villagey today, this is. Very blighty. The sun. Go for a bit of a walk and leave them at it. No point helping them. No. Get moated on the road. It's lovely around this part, look at it. Good to with my coat really, it's a bit breezy, it's nice. Nice, oh God, look at the leaves on that.
Amazing, isn't it? Look. Oh, that's the big cover.
See, this is Mum's place, you'd love it here. I think Jack spends most of his time here near Arnsby. Well, not most of it, but a lot of his free time. That's a unique name. Penny Farting Cottage. Looks like it's farting to me. Penny Farting Cottage.
Penny farthing, not penny farting.
Yeah, I think they're still at it, working their way through the queue.
Very streaky, Jim.
What did them with this cloth, okay?
Yeah, not a good idea. Quality control
It's like the multiplying
Jack
jet.
is quality control.
Is he? Is he bullying you?
No. He's just quality control.
I'm using my OCD pants. OCD pants. With his whip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a whip.
I can dub over some car wash music on this.
Yeah.
Walking in a car wash.
Yeah, that's it. It'll go down great, that will.
Yeah.
Great little video.
Jack, you should put a film of us car washing on YouTube and have that song in the background. It won't be very interesting. Oh well.
At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with the feeling now, car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell
Is this a
you.
patented technique?
Yeah. Clean it, in other words.
If you ask the food at the car wash, whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me, car wash. Woo, woo, woo. Car wash, yeah. Work and work. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those bags and machines humming. Work. And work my fingers to the bone. Work
The van now. You're alright, it's good that you're tall, Jack, because you can reach right to... Yeah, Dan's on the roof, yeah.
Morning. Morning, Dad. Oh, morning. Annie, got one more like this.
That's clean water on there.
Have the hose with these. Please. Hang on. Please, Joel. Yeah, hang on. Joel. Without the brush. No, leave it. Can't tell whether these are really dirty or whether they're actually grey.
They are grey, they're grey coloured.
Are they?
Posh wheels they are, yeah.
They're normally the ones that snap, aren't they? Yeah.
Right, okay.
Just filling them up. Turnovers were really late today. It's nearly 2. Is today, well this afternoon, we are choosing a new toaster.
Not bad. Just choosing one.
There's a few to choose from. Bosch.
Can't you see? Where can you do this? Oh, you can do the same if it's this way.
Yeah, you do it all on there, it's very simple. Now it's raining, so that costs us £3 because we use the rest of the nectar points, which are the things you collect when you go shopping at Sainsbury's. So that paid for most of a new toaster because the old one's gone up the creek. Look at that, it's looking good. Sparkle on him.
Sparkling new toaster. It's very good, isn't it? You need to go back a bit more.
No,
No, I think we need to go back a bit more, don't it?
can't go back anymore.
Can't it?
Well, I'm going to that,
There you
yeah.
go. It's alright, isn't it? Thank you, operator.
One toaster up, one camera down.
Remove this label before use. Oh,
Yeah.
remove it. Should I ask Jack if he wants to see our toaster?
Can do.
That'll be
Sure, he was supposed to be filming tonight, but two of his mates around. He put his camera on top of a tripod, fully extended, propped up, bolted to the tripod, and one of them knocked it over. Broke the lens when it hit the floor, as in gemmed the lens mechanism. The lens is useless, so he's got to find another one. £100. There they are, going into service tonight. Sunday already. Dogs greeting them. Dog's called Monty. So yeah, that's soon gone that weekend. So he's off to service. Been inside. Shell's still really bad with this cold, and Jack's got a bit of it. Charlotte comes round in the afternoon, so we've not been out all weekend. I've been stuck in. Been really nice by all accounts. Look, nice autumnal Sunday. Now the sun's shining in my face. So I've been out. I've been in all day fixing that blinking lens of Jack's. I bought another lens on eBay for his Canon camera to the last one. But basically what it did is gemmed the workings of the lens, so it knocked it. The bit that comes out, it knocked it to one side, so it gemmed all, you know, the threads that it moves on inside were gemmed. So I bought a new one off eBay in an auction for 61 quid, which is very good. Because he wanted a better lens, an upgrade lens, but that's at Christmas, obviously that's a lot more money, so he just replaced the standard lens at the moment for his camera. So he was going to do a Halloween video last night. Obviously that was off, and he wasn't in the mood for filming anything else after that happened. He was mortified. I was mortified for him, but also annoyed that his mates had just blatantly knocked it over and not said anything. They were there when it happened, but didn't apologise afterwards. And why? It left a camera mounted on top of the tripod, and it bad idea. So anyhow, so I spent most of the day fixing that lens, and it is so intricate because it's got a motor in there, the gears, all sorts of things, electronics. It's just a nightmare. So yeah, that's what I've been doing all day. God, the sun's bright. It gets lower this time of year. You can that see. So yeah, but we could have gone out for a walk and done something, but it's just, everyone's just like, I'm over it, but that's it, you know. It's a nice autumnal day, and next weekend, the forecast isn't looking too clever. Got to get the car serviced as well, both of them. But again, it's just getting Jack when he's free. So, there you go, another weekend over. You might remember the fate thing they had yesterday, with all the car washing, overwhelmed with the car washing. Goodness me. And the other things they did, the tea things for the old ladies and the bacon baps, they were, look at all this mud all over the road. The bacon baps they were doing, they raised, I think it was £273 for charity for a morning's work. That wasn't bad going at all. So, thumbs up for that.